Alright, this backyard patio nook is getting closer to being done. Getting to a point where I like it. The only thing I'm going to do probably next is put some of those little plastic bins in there. I went with the red LED digital clock up here because bugs don't like red. It's showing 93 degrees right now. Clean that up. Fridge is painted. Let's take a look inside the fridge. But first say hi to this groovy dude here. Yeah. About 42. I don't have any beer skis or booze in here yet, so just water and pop. Let's go over here to my adult size kiddie pool. Let's look at the temperature. This thing's got a temperature gauge on it. Let's see what it says right here. About 79. Yeah, I'm going to be sitting in this in a second. There you go.